Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a BedRug classic bed mat for pickup trucks. Let's get into it. All right, what we're looking at here is really the flagship product from BedRug. It's their classic mat, if you will. They've kind of expanded their product line over the years, but this is kind of what started it all, was just the BedRug mat. And as I pull this out here, you'll see what the material looks like and why they call it the BedRug. All right, this is a nice lightweight product. Now this happens to be specifically for Ford F-150, I believe 2021 through 2024. Short bed, so a 5.5 foot bed, so not very large here. But as you can see, this is the underside. So sorry for any confusion there. I just want to point out this fact here. They do have this kind of ribbing built into the mat, if you will, that's going to line up with the ribs in the actual truck bed. So it's kind of going to give you a level surface underneath. It's going to fit in there nicely. But on the surface here, you can see this feels like a rug. It's a soft material, but it's all made out of plastic, so it's weather resistant, mildew resistant, all of that, extremely lightweight. But there is this foam backing underneath here that gives it quite a bit of resistance to impact and things like that. Now this is just the bed mat. You can get a full liner that basically covers the sides of the truck bed as well. This is just going to cover the floor or the bottom part of the bed mat. So make sure you take that into consideration when you're looking at your order. One more thing here in the bottom of the box is going to be our installation hardware, if you will, and it's pretty simple. First, we're going to have a 3M adhesion promoter, so used to clean the surface of the bed. And you can see there's these two strips right here. One side has almost a Velcro type material, not Velcro itself, it's a stiffer plastic type of adhesion product. And then on the back here, we do have a self-adhesive sticker. You're going to pull this sticker off, placed in the bed, and there's going to be corresponding Velcro locations on the bottom side of this bed mat. So you can see right here these white strips right there. Those will line up with these strips. Now one thing it seems all the manufacturers are doing is going to this QR code that you scan with your phone to get the latest installation instructions. So they don't give you a printed guide in the box. You have to scan that with your phone to see how to install this. Now it's a pretty simple installation. As you can see, peel and stick. There just may be some alignment and things like that you want to take into consideration, and some prep as well. Now you're going to want to make sure that you're choosing the right product for your specific vehicle. So your make model, whether it's a Ford, Chevy, Ram, etc. Your bed length is important. Sometimes there's various styles or packages that you can get in the bed that would command a different cut of the actual bed mat itself. So you want to make sure that you get all of those specs right when placing your order for this product. Another thing is you need to take into consideration if you have a spray-in liner or you have a drop-in plastic liner. Sometimes there's going to be conflicts on if this will fit with those drop-in plastic liners. I know they do make some products that work with those drop-in plastic liners, but a lot of times there's going to be a conflict because it's going to be different size, as well as getting your adhesive to stick and things like that. Now, if you're looking for this product or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out, UpfitSupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.